So the next part of this activity is to put metals into water. I already showed you the alkaline metals, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the alkaline earth metals that are right next door. So magnesium, element 12, ends with 3s2. Calcium, element 20, ends with 4s2. And of course, sodium and magnesium are next door neighbors, as are potassium and calcium. So I've already put a little piece of magnesium ribbon into one test tube. I'm going to put a little bit of calcium into another test tube. Now this is calcium, solid pure calcium. You might look at it and go, oh yeah, it's white like bones, but that's because it's oxidizing even in the jar that I get it from. So I ordered this, usually has a date on here. Oh, they didn't have their stickers. I think this is from 2019 and it is oxidizing. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you, prove to you that calcium is actually a silver metal also. So if you take a triangular file and scrape off that oxidation, you or I will get down to some shiny silver. That doesn't show up very well on the video, I don't think, but trust me if you dare. That one's starting to look a little bit shinier. I don't know if you can see that or not, if they get the light on it. But I have a piece of exposed calcium now, and I'm going to put that into another test tube, but this time I'm going to cover the test tube. And you'll notice, whereas the magnesium's hanging out doing hardly anything, the calcium is going pretty crazy. So if you've ever put raisins into soda water, you've watched them go up and down, and that's because their density changes as the bubbles, if they stick to them. So I'm going to put this down, and I'm going to drop my watch glass. There we go. Okay, I'm going to let that continue to react. And one of the things that metals do is they form hydrogen gas in water. That's what the alkaline metals did. And I'm going to prove to you that calcium does it as well. So I'm going to use a lit splint. And I can't do this very well, actually, without another set of hands. So I'm going to, well, it's taped to the ring stand. Oh, well, you're going to have to trust me on this one. Ready, set. That noise was the hydrogen gas going off. Hopefully I'll get a better one with the sodium here. I'll try and make it at a better eyeball height.